How do I pair my Hisense Remote?
Hello everyone! Today, we are going to walk through how to pair your Hisense Remote with your Hisense TV. It's a simple process and should take you just a few minutes to get it done.
Gather your equipment.
Before we start, ensure you have your Hisense Remote and Hisense TV ready. Also, make sure the batteries in your remote are functioning well. If your remote isn't responding as expected, you might want to try replacing the batteries before starting the pairing process.
Turn on your Hisense TV.
First things first, power on your Hisense TV using the power button, which is usually found on the side or bottom of the TV. This is important as the TV needs to be on before you can start the pairing process.
Initiate pairing mode on the remote.
To pair your Hisense Remote, you usually have to press a certain button or combination of buttons. For many Hisense remotes, this involves pressing and holding the button labeled Pair or Connect. If your remote doesn't have these buttons, please refer to your remote's manual to find out the right way to initiate pairing mode.
Complete the pairing process.
Once you've initiated pairing mode, your TV should recognize the remote and begin the pairing process. This can take a few seconds to a minute. You'll know your remote has been successfully paired when you can control the TV using the remote. Try adjusting the volume or changing the channel to verify this. And there you have it. You've successfully paired your Hisense Remote with your Hisense TV. This should enhance your viewing experience, giving you more control over your TV. If you encounter any issues during the pairing process, don't hesitate to refer to your Hisense user manual or contact Hisense's customer service for help. Thank you for watching, and happy viewing.